Okay, so my vacuum cleaner, my Bissell here, started smelling bad, and the bar stopped turning, and then it started smoking. So I called Bissell to find out, you know, what to do. And it turns out you have to regularly check this part here that I needed to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then one right here, 7 screws to get to it. And you take that part off, and that, all of this fur stuck in here on their pet vacuum. The smell was that this fur was melting. Fur was, you know, caught on fire inside the vacuum and was melting, and the core, or the band to turn the bar had melted clean through. Or, I mean, you can kind of see the plastic rubber there is all hard and brittle and smelly. And so, yeah, this is a regular maintenance that you need to regularly take apart your vacuum cleaner and check to make sure there's not fur stuck all in here on the pet vacuum cleaner that you are using to always vacuum up pet. Look, there's the pet fur problem. There's no other way to check this without removing the piece. And then if the fur gets in there, it gets too hot, it catches on fire, and it melts the band here. So,
well, let's see how this vacuum cleaner works. Just got it today. A little Bissell. Long extension cord, which is retractable. So let's see how this thing works, huh? Yeah, here we go. So open this lever. When it turns, look at that! Wow! All right, here we go. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that suction. Jeez, that's filling it up already. Look at that, I just got it today. Wow. Okay. All right, just gotta get used to this. It's light, too. It's gonna turn. Yeah. That's neat. Yeah, look at that. Nice white base. I like that. A bigger area.
We bought this Bissell vacuum cleaner a little while back, and our other one bit the dust, and so this one was a decent price point. And overall, I've been pretty happy with it. I really like how it has such a big tank. We have a couple of dogs, and so they shed a lot, so that helps a lot. I feel like it does pretty well maneuvering corners and getting up a lot of pet hair and dirt and dust and things. I do wish that the cord was a little bit longer. This cord is kind of short. Our other vacuum cleaner had a longer cord. So that's really probably my big
First time using the vacuum. It's got this neat little, pretty cool, huh?